Siddiqul Apacha bringing in to give him the boost to the new ball against Bangladesh. Straight away completed a fifer. This is a good start. Running down to the boundary from the bat of Abdul Malik. You are chasing 179. You want a start no less than that.
Abdul Malik has spent a lot of time opening the batting in various formats. A marginal error. This angle towards the batter on the leg stump. Fine leg up in the circle. Straying in line on the leg stump and getting it behind the square on the onside. Nicely clipped. Behind square. 4 runs. 10 coming from the first over. 2 straying delivery on the leg stump taken care of by Abdul Malik. 10 without loss.
Yeah, too easy for Abdul Malik. Ball to his pad, going down the leg side. He just guides it nicely down for a boundary. If it could talk, they will be comfortable. But they have done it. Ghazanfar into the attack straight away. And Zubaid Akbari smashes this for 4 away from the reach of the fielder. A little fuller from Ala Muhammad Ghazanfar. And Zubaid is in business. First boundary to him.
Exhilarating stroke. It's beautifully timed. Just piercing through the offside. Lovely timing, elegant stroke from Zubaid Akbari. He's off the mark. With a lovely lofted stroke down the ground. It's gone all the way for 6. Power play overs, introduction of a spin.
Well, Zubaid Akbari is in hot form. I say that. It was Fuller. Wanted to bowl the carom. Didn't get the turn, the drift he wanted. Into the slot, was up for it. Another one, another 6. Back-to-back 6s from the bat of Zubaid Akbari. This is brilliant batting.
A majestic stroke from Zubaid Akbari. He might have considered 26. He's taking the revenge in style. Straight bat, superb timing. A glorious stroke down the field for 6.
No, talking here at Kabul. Yeah, straight into the hand. Nijat Masood gives that breakthrough. He produces breakthrough with the new ball. Being impacted in, Nijat Masood breaks a very dangerous looking partnership. Abdul Malik has to depart.
So early breakthrough. Abdul Malik, man in form. He's out. He's caught down the leg side. Caught it short fine. Allah Muhammad taking the catch. And Nijat, the impact sub striking. Look at this once again. Just dropping short. Short lifting delivery. Not enough pace into the delivery. Straightforward catch. Not the kind of delivery, but as you predicted, Farid Fidai, sometimes you don't need great delivery.
Is if he can deliver, that will be amazing. It's straight in the air, but away from the fielder. 3 bounces to the boundary. Didn't get the timing right, but he was in no man's land.
Over. Change in bowling. Hamza into the attack. Takes the edge. It goes fine. Will run away to the boundary for 4. A streaky boundary from the blade of Zubaid Akbari.
Wow, you talk about attacking cricket. Now, being skipper Hashmatullah Shahidi, you will think, why did I not get a slip fielder? Because the intentions from the Ammu Sharks are very clear. Attack. The attack is on from the arm. Capitalize inside the power play. Another one. This is high. This is long. This is out of the park. Very handsome. What a shot this is, Zubaid Akbari. This is beautiful striking.
A magnificent stroke from the blade of Zubaid Akbari. Outstanding stroke in the channel, and he clubs it out of the stadium for 6. Strong wrist. It's found once again. Will come to the third man boundary for 4. 2 streaky boundaries, no slip in position. They're racing along. 51 for 1.
Well, 50 up for Amu Sharks. Zubaid Akbari living his dream, want to face as many deliveries he can inside the power play. And look at the scoring rate. Again, this is streaky. And again, you ask that question, where is the slip fielder? Where is the winner at the third man? This is also high in the air. And this is another maximum.
The team, Bande Army Dragon, is stunned. Smattering the confidence of the strong bowling unit of Bande Amir. Just dropping it short. He picks the length early and he swings it really well to get
in the first 4 balls. I know when the batter is hitting, you can't be taking slip, but wow, this should be taken, and it is. What an anti-climax. Amir Hamza comes back strong to take the wicket of Zubaid Akbari. He knows he missed that. 20 runs of the first 4 and the wicket from Amir Hamza.
Massive relief for the captain. Massive relief. It's a legal delivery. He's been taken for 20 runs, but he has taken the wicket. What an astonishing innings from Zubaid Akbari. He's out 40 of just 14 deliveries to set the stage on fire. 57 for 2.
Well, he bowled it a little quicker, and I think Zubaid Akbari didn't hit it full hard shot. He just pushed at it, and Shamsur Rahman Karokhel is not gonna drop that. This is a good catch in the context of the game.
Dirzar Ladu Malik nan. Oh! Salur Mandi पर deep point बांधे.
सुमरा पजड़ पूरी का उगुरु नवीन चेंज ऑफ पेस बॉल तर सरकड़ आउट से इंतजार यू को तमसु शराबुद्दीन अशरफ और पॉइंट पोजीशन बांधी कट शॉट रिप्ले का उगुरु इंतजार तम वजा कची चेंज ऑफ पेसु
सिद्दीका तलाव द हशमतुल्लाह शाहिदी पाणे होम डेर ज्यादा पजड़ पूरे वद टीम बंदे आमिर लपा
बड़ी शॉटुना का उगुरु द शरफ डेर पजड़ पूरी दाजल बिल्कुल दा पॉइंट बाउंड्री पलूरी बांधित सलोर मंडी लॉब पिच शॉट द शराबुद्दीन अशरफ ला बेटा
तकरार की गुरु लक्ष्य शात ओवर द फील्डर अवाल तप डीप स्लॉट के दे सही ने दे मिडल शवे शमसुर रहमान तक कैच जाली की शरफ सी ड्रेसिंग रूम था खजन फर्दल तमल करती आमातई
गजन फर द गजब तो पाचवना दा महाल पलोब गाली की बेहतरीन तो पाचवना द लुमड़िया और पपर तला दगा और बरियाले ओवर दा अल्लाह मोहम्मद का टॉप विकेट ते कर दनो आरु मरु नन हम ददला पारा योश चांस त सीधा विकेटो अगलारी दवामदार वसाती बेहतरीन तो पाचवना अतलसम विकेट दा गजनफर पनुम बांधी आसान के
दाजले ऑफ स्पिन वक او بیرته خرا تک د غزنفر ګور چې لومړی په پیډونه کې دو منډه کوشش رن آؤٹ مکشتا اوور تھرو کې به منډې راځي او خامخا به راځي دو په شپږو بدل شو خوښ نه ښکاري کریم جنت د صدیق الله پاچا نه چې باید ته بیک اپ के दगा बाल निवले हुए तकरार के गुरु सिद्दीकुल्लाह
Shahid Kamal on 15. Good one. Really good shot. Now, if you bowl lengths like that, Amu Sharks is going to run away with this game. Bande Ami Dragons need to be tighter. You can't start an over with a drag down.
Poor delivery. It sounded like a six. It is a six. Dropping it short, and he picks it and smacks it with the horizontal. Finds the gap. 4 runs. 11 runs already from this over. He's leaking runs. 100 up for the team. Amul Sharks in the chase.
Real skillful batting here. Waited for it, played it late. See, the previous deliveries he was finding the fielder. This time he waited and played it later. Little over 7.5 runs and over.
Oh, that's a majestic stroke. Fine leg is up in the circle. He strays on the pads. And that's a classy stroke from Ishaq.
Yeah, that's the line's wrong. Just look at the direction of the delivery. That was swinging down the leg side. Karim Janat. And then easily put away because, as you correctly said, fine leg in the circle. So that becomes a very easy option. Thank you very much. Now fine leg goes out a little bit too late in the day. I mean, you don't shut the stables.
He's going for the big shot. He gets it fine. 4 runs. 4 byes.
4 byes. What was the keeper appealing for? I thought it struck the pad somewhere, but one thing that's very clear. Let's see. Yeah, it touched nothing. It touched nothing. It's an excellent call by the umpire. The wicket keeper appeared to have lost.
څه چې مشهوري باید همغه ډول مخ ته لاړ شي څه چې ته کولی شو آن سایډ کې فیلډر شته خو یوازې ننداره کوي او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره شاهد الله کمال پرله پسې ډېر ښه انینځونه کړي په وروستیو کې د امو لپاره او نننۍ سیالۍ کې مهمه لوبه کې ډېر ښه لګي
دا مخکې راتګ ډېر په زړه پورې و. شاهد الله کمال بریالی کیږي چې ډیپ سکوایر لیګ ته یوه دغه ستره او په زړه پورې شپږیزه ترلاسه کړي او دغه شاټ سره د پوینټ ډګر ساتونکو هم دننه او دې سره ګیف دی خالګه لافټې ډاون نتیجه هم په ایکسټرا کور کې د 4 منډو ترلاسه کېدل. دا ځل محمد اسحاق رحیمي د څلوریزې د شاټ وهلو هڅه او بریالی هم دی
او ته نشي کولی اسحاق رحیمي ته دغه ډول یو توپ وکړي کویک هم تیز هم سلاټ کې او هاف والي بیټ خوله کې او چاټک
د بیکور فاینډ هغه په سرکل کې دي او دې سره بال د فاین لیګ لوري ته د 4 منډو لپاره دا چې د بیټ تماس له بال سره ممکن اوسي او دلته د شاهد الله کمال په منډو کې مې اضافه والی راځي. ښه لوبېدنه لوز بال و په لیګ سټم اچول شوی و او شاهد الله کمال رول او لاس دی
او دې سره نیمه سلیزه بهترینه رښتیا هم په میډل آرډر کې په منځنۍ برخه کې په ټول ټورنامنټ کې شاهد الله کمال ډېر ښه لوبېدلی دی په لوړ سټرایک ریټ سره بیټینګ ترسره کړی دی او په بیک سټیج په غټه لوبه کې دلته نیمه سلیزه جوړه کړله 8 ډاټونه 11 یو منډې او
Fine leg up in the circle. Swings it through the onside and he picks the gap. Astonishing stroke. Has that gone all the way? Umpire is consulting with the fielder on the boundary. We know Ishaq has the ability.
Yeah, the umpire will have a look. Quite a tricky one. I don't want to adjudicate. I want to hear from the TV umpire. Yeah, that's a 4. I think it just bounced inside. One only from 19 balls. Last ball of this over. Ishaq swings at it. And this is running down to the boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. Ishaq Rahimi is on fire. 13 runs coming from this over. Only 17 in the remaining 3 overs. 162 for 3.
Impressive stroke. Pitching up and getting it over the top of extra. Powerfully connected and get it over the fielder. That was the intention and it did it exactly that. Karim Jannat wanted to take pace of the ball.
For this match. So Naveen ul Haq.
Smacks it flat, hard, down the ground. Flat six. Amazing stroke from Ishaq Rahimi. Just 7 required from 10. Ammo Sharks on the verge of victory.
Well, what a day to step up. What a day to step up. Ishaq Rahimi had kept his best for the game to bowl, the penultimate over. That is the shot. This is the victory. Amu Sharks are the champions of this Pakiza Cricket League 2024. Shahidullah Kamal putting together a brilliant partnership with Mohammad Ishaq Rahimi. A brilliant partnership of 111 runs to secure the victory for the first time for the Amu Sharks, led by young Azmatullah Omarzai. Look at the jubilation and look at this shot onto the pads and smoked it for a maximum.
Shahidullah Kamal was dot for naught, finishing the game in style. Ammo Sharks amazing here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium, controlling the game. 19 overs in the first innings.
A moment when everyone was thinking that they were down at the bottom and they jumped up, they went on the trot and they have went on to become the champions of the Shpagiz.
They receive thunderous applause and a standing ovation. They deserve it. It's been a deserving victory for the team Ammo Sharks. With the bat, astonishing in the field. With the ball, they made some good tactical changes led by inspirational captain Azmatullah.